Rainy season. Welcome to my channel Suvarna's Coaching. The rainy season, also known as the monsoon. Rainy season comes after the summer. This season begins in June and ends in September. The sky looks cloudy in this season. River, stream and ponds are receive plenty of water. Streets and roads become muddy. Children love to play in the rain. Colorful rainbow is seen in the sky. Farmer works hard in their fields in rainy days. Children floats paper boats in the water. Rainy season is my favorite season. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.